Wagwan traders, yeah, the traders here again, man. It's an exciting day today for me. Guess what, guys? We are now above 100 subs, guys. The channel has grown. I like the support that you guys have given me. If I had a sound effect, I would definitely play it. But as you guys know, I keep things simple. For those new to the channel, I don't even review my recording. So I like the feedback, guys. So just keep on giving me the feedback. And as you know, I give you just the real deal. Good or bad, I'm telling you how it goes, guys. So, subscribe if you want to get early notification because I do these videos for now, especially on Mullen, early in the morning before the market actually opens, so you know exactly what I'm thinking and where I think Mullen will go. The other day, I saw where Neo has done its thing, guys. You check out that video. Neo has done his thing, and I had to make a video on it. So any special moves I see, I'm gonna bring it to you guys. So thanks again, for taking us where we are now. So jumping into Mullen here. So, over the past, 2 months, we have been predicting all the moves with Mullen, and we have been on point so far. So, let me make my screen a little bit bigger. So, you know what? I'm going to give you a special update on another stock at the end when I finish speaking on Mullen, just as a bonus, guys. I don't have much to give apart from giving you, sharing my charts with you, but I'm going to give you a bonus stock at the end of the video, end of my discussion with Mullen here. So, Mullen has done what we have asked it to do, and it has break the resistance at 32. If you take a look at my chart here. So, what we're looking for, Mullen is not doing anything wrong right now, but what we're looking for is the movement on top of this support above between the 32 and the 46, so to speak. Remember, guys, I had said that this orange line is the major resistance. So let me zoom out a bit. I'll show you where that is. The major resistance comes from this level here. So when I zoom out, sorry, not that one. This is an old resistance. This is from last year. Right here, guys. Last February. Okay? February 24th. That is when we had gotten that major resistance. So we want Mullen to try and attack that resistance level in order to get it to $1. So as I said, the stock is not doing anything wrong. It's just that I think the level of PR has been missing from the CEO. But let me get into just what the chart is giving us. So give me a sec here. So what I've done is draw the different trend lines that I have. So I have the red lines are either the support and resistance. I've extended it to the right. And my yellow lines here are where I'm saying this is my trend line, my diagonal trend line, which I have drawn, which is shown on the chart. So we are at this level right now, guys. So let's see where it will take us. Maybe and these gray lines here represents the weekly. All right, so let me just get in here with my pen. No, sorry, I need green. All right, so we are on top of this line here, right here now, guys. So what we're looking for is for Mullen. Good news or bad news, we're looking for Mullen to maintain this level, guys. If we get some good news, then you may see a run up. Remember, right here is where we have a little resistance right at this level here. We have a little resistance here. So chances are, if we get some good news, it may pop through that. But saying that it doesn't, then Mullen will, push up to at least this level. I'm thinking pull back, and this may be week 2, depending on how the volume works. Pull back onto this this level here, which is another little resistance, and then we should see Muln push back up, and hopefully at this stage break through this level of resistance there and push back up to the 46. But the good thing is that Muln is staying within our trend line here, this yellow trend line. Okay, that is what we want it to do. Okay, so for this week, depending on the volume, we will see a push through on, a retest of the resistance, as I said, and chances are you may get a pullback here. But we really need to get volume to get through this level here, the 46, that major resistance right there. So chances are if volume comes in, we'll maintain this level and we should see a pop through or pop up to this level and come back down. But I would say, based on what the chart is running right now, where, as I said, we are maintaining the yellow line there. We are maintaining that, which is good. We're not dropping below that level. So we are maintaining this upward trend. So if it, trends upwards slow and steady, I have no problem with that. I've taken the opportunity on a couple of these pullbacks to load up some more on Muln. Around, I loaded up here and also loaded up a little bit more there. So I'm at a level right now with Muln in terms of the number of shares that I have. I'm comfortable with what I have. High risk, guys, but guess what? I want to be in the game. So, if it falls, and I end up losing, then, I can afford to lose what I have. But if it runs, I'm in a position to, make some money. Okay? So this is early days, guys. Early days on Muln. So, we'll keep an eye out and see what happens. So let me get back to the chart here. So in terms of the options, we got volume that came in on Friday, 83,000. So we'll see what happens for today. We have, in terms of the for this week, Friday, we're at 47,000. Now we're at 53,000, guys, which is good. The volume interest is increasing in terms of the number of open interests. For February 10th, looks like it's increased slightly. I don't remember the figure, but it looks like it has increased slightly. And for February 17th, oh, this one is going up. So there is something happening around February 17th. So, as I've always said, when you compare the call volume to the put volume, this is a lot higher than the puts. So, the market is basically saying it's bullish. All right, so let's get back to, let's take a look at what's going on Yahoo Finance. So on Yahoo Finance, we went up 2.5%. Pre-market, we're up almost a percent. Market cap was at a little over 500 million. So now we're at 550 million. Average volume, we got in a bit more volume than average, 247 compared to 219, which is good. Always a good sign when, the volume is ticking up above the average. And in terms of the comps, Lucid, that's the stock I'm going to talk about, guys. And that's your bonus stock I'm going to talk about. Went up 43, almost 100%, then came back down and says actually settled at 43%. Wow. And Neo, 4%, Rivian, 8%. So the market was not looking too bad for stocks, guys. So, EVs, maybe it's time now that EVs are making a turnaround in terms of where we think it will go. So let's get into the other stock, Lucid, that I mentioned I would speak about. So let's go to the chart. Let's pick up Lucid here. And let's zoom out. on Lucid. For these growth stocks, usually I zoom out when I'm taking a look at to see where it's going. But for Muln, I stick, with like a 4 hour chart. So this is the weekly chart for Lucid, guys. So here's what was happening with Lucid. Lucid, ran up. I was buying Lucid from the Churchill days. Lucid had ran up, came back down. I had loaded up some more. It ran up to 57, came back down. In this swing portfolio, I have a couple portfolios, but in this swing portfolio, I actually sold some of my Lucid. Well, I sold all of my Lucid in this swing portfolio, but I maintained the other Lucid in my other portfolios. And then I drew this line here, guys, to say, okay, Lucid is falling. Where does it end? Now on Friday, all of a sudden, Lucid popped, almost 100%, came back down. So where do I think Lucid will go? My honest opinion, I have no idea, guys. As I said, I was giving the good, the bad, and the ugly. So what's happening is that there's an interest, well, a rumor that there is an interest to purchase Lucid by a current investor in, I think it's Saudi Arabia, thereabout, to purchase the entire set of shares and take it private. So, is that good or bad for Lucid stock? The honest answer is right now we don't know, because for shareholders, those who have an average, share price of maybe above the current price, which is at $12.13. So you have shares at $20 average price. If they're to buy out the shares right now at this current price, we'll end up losing. But on the other side, with the interest coming in terms of that rumor, we don't know if it's official or it's just a rumor. The interest may cause the shares to pop up even further, guys. So we don't know at this point in time. So taking a look at Yahoo Finance again. And as you see, the trending ticker, Lucid. Look at that. So pre-market, as I said, it went up 43%. Pre-market, it's up almost 4%. So at this stage, do you hold? Do you sell? At this stage, my thought is watch and see what happens, guys. Even with all, the rumors and everything, if anything is to go through in terms of a possible sale of Lucid, chances are it will take some time, for the deal to be, properly documented and put through the regulators and all that stuff. So, guys, for now, I'm not selling my Lucid stocks. I'm just going to maintain. I'm just going to hold. Will it fall? I don't know. But for now, I'm just going to just hold and see what happens. So, guys, as usual, I've always said, if you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe and, give me the thumbs up. And let me know what you think about Lucid also. Drop it in the comments so we can share our thoughts as a family. All right, that's it for today, guys. So take care, and we'll keep this journey going. Bye.